This is one of the programs that World Coffee Research is doing for this year. So they are actively breeding sustainable coffee varieties, and they're gonna distribute this with their partners. So these partners are big companies like Starbucks and stuff like that. So as you can see from the screen, that they are breeding the popular coffee species, which is Arabica, and they have new genetics installed in the field in 7 countries. So they have this what they call speed breeding program. So from the word speed, no, they're doing like progressive delivering seed propagatable varieties in 8 years instead of 20. So they make it more faster. So countries that are involved are India, Mexico, Peru, Costa Rica, Rwanda, Uganda, and Kenya. So as you can see here, that they have now 100 varieties of Arabica by 2030, which is 5 years from now. Okay, that's a good program, and they will really help a lot of coffee farmers all over the world. So I just noticed that there's only one Asian country here, which is India. But I guess I heard from their video that they're also doing helping Indonesia as well. Maybe a little bit of Vietnam. So for us, Passport Turtle, we will collaborate with World Coffee Research and talk about getting sustainable hybrid coffee species for our farmers, because this is a global effort, and we are all like allies here, helping and improving the coffee coffee crisis. Okay, so by the way, this is just Arabica. They're also doing Robusta, and me and my team are also searching about Excelsa, which is uh, uh, which is resistant to drought and extreme heat, and that's very good for tropical countries. All right.